This is probably the coolest little thing you have ever seen. Look at this. Take a picture of me.
What do I snap? The red one?
No, it's already going. It's a video camera.
Oh.
You don't have to snap it. You just move your finger out.
Gee.
That's it.
What do you call this thing?
It's called a Flip Minnow.
Well, I'll be done.
Isn't that the cutest thing you ever saw?
Yeah.
Look at it. You can do, and it has a zoom.
Take that in there.
I got the picture.
Try and stay away from the little Ryan.
I'm not getting around anyway.
Hot? It's not enough so hot.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There's the fire.
You don't look like your daddy or anything, do you? You don't look like your daddy. No, you don't.
Her name is Elise Gloria.
What did they use, Elise or Gloria?
Well, he called her today. I heard him call her Gloria.
That's cool. Is that a phone?
It's video camera.
Oh, wow.
Don't put your finger in front of
Oh, my bad. Are you recording?
Yeah, you can record.
Sorry.
It records for a full hour without stopping.
Oh, my God. That's so cool.
And it zooms in and out.
As long as you don't have the finger.
And you plug it into your
It's
computer.
actually going right now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my goodness. I'm sorry. You have a fingerprint.
Doesn't hurt.
I didn't touch it.
Does not hurt it. Watch. Watch me zoom. And what are you suffering from today? What disease are you carrying for us?
Swine.
Swine flu? Do you have swine flu? You better not. Thank God we have a pediatrician here.
I know, but you are you videoing?
Yes. See the little red button doing at your face?
New video camera?
Yes, it's called a Flip Minnow. It'll go for a whole hour recording.
Wow.
Look at these little dumplings.
I'm sure you'll get some new footage.
Oh, yeah.
We,
And I can email it to you. Just plugs in. You got your computer, you can just plug it in.
Yeah,